going to demonstrate Magic Move using Keynote. So basically what this is a transition that incorporates 2 or more slides with the same components, whether that be shapes, text, or otherwise. So let's get started. I'm going to add in the continents of the world. Give me a moment while I do that. So you can see here that my world map is all jumbled. It's not in the right spot. This is a template that you could potentially give the children or get the students to add it in themselves, as I did using the shapes. You can also change the color. Let's say I'm going to change Australia, Oceania to green. What I will do then is duplicate that slide. This then enables me to rearrange the shapes into their correct positioning dependent on the map that you're looking at, and moving from there. After you've done that, you're going to apply the transition known as Magic Move. I rearranged them in the slide number 2, as you can see. Now I'm going to apply the transition of Magic Move, as I said before, and you can see here that they are rearranged. I've even added in some text. So the students would press play on that. When they tap, it moves. You could apply this to a lot of different components, like life cycles or changing seasons, even looking at making something a little bit more engaging where they are presenting to the class. And you can export as a movie and save that so others can view.